Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Here we are at a private fishing pond. We spent the day here catching fish, cooking fish multiple ways, and drinking a lot, and just enjoying a beautiful picnic day with great company.
All the villagers helped with prepping and cooking. Some processed the fish, while others chopped the herbs and vegetables. The fish was stuffed into fresh-cut bamboo tubes along with herbs and spices. Water is added to it and then placed over the fire to steam cook. Some fish is cut up into small pieces and turned into fish lob salad. And some fish are barbecue grilled as a whole.
Well, somebody had the bright idea of harvesting a beehive for the honey. Gotta give props to whoever climbed the tree to cut it down without getting stopped. These guys sure know what they're doing. This raw honey is absolutely delicious. Whiskey with honey, anyone?
Nói tầm qua nó nhầm là mặt phá lãng si có từ mùa tỏi đó bữa tua hắn nói nhầm đó được bữa kịch khấu tăng nhau bỏ cái nhụt đổ về ta cũng có nhầm bữa nhà đó tao chứ dùng nhầm bữa ta thọ là bữa này tự chứ nhầm tao chứ dùng nhầm tao chứ nhầm cái nhà đó ta
To translate, both my mom and my dad are expressing their gratitude to the relatives in this village for taking their time out to bring us to this fish pond and preparing all of the food, catching all the fishes, and just being here and, celebrating our visit. And it takes a lot of work, and we know that. So we just want to thank everyone.
So GK, you want to say anything?
It's great to be in the countryside, Laos.
What an amazing and fun day this was. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.